Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can delete subscribed calendar on your iPhone. So what you need to do is for that you need to open your calendar application, and from here in the top you can see calendars. You need to tap here once, and as you can see here in this screen, you will be seeing your accounts. You are logged into your device, or what you need to do is just scroll down, and from here as you can see it says others right here. As you can see, it says Indian holidays subscribed, so it may be checked. In your case, what you need to do is just uncheck it, and after that press the I button here, and just after pressing the I button, this event alerts will be checked. What you need to do, just uncheck it, and after that your everything will be sorted, and you will delete your subscribed calendar on iPhone. So yeah, that's how you do it.